Hey, how are you? Good morning. My name is Oscar Reyes. I'm from AVACOM, Colombia. We have a company in focus to education, and we have one product today. Is a smart board for kids. You can change. We have two options. It's Android and Windows. This is a cap system. Is hard resistant. Is water resistant. You have many apps upload. If you want to work for our kids, this is what a preload game. The donuts is ready.
Seleccionala ahí, selecciona la dona, la primerita del rosado. Y selecciona otra vez, la dona, mira la rosado, rosado, arriba. Selecciona, rosado, mira arriba, acá a la izquierda, arriba.
¿Sí?
Izquierda arriba, ahí, mírala ahí, está rosado.
Ya.
Rosado,
Sorry.
ahí.
You can push here. Now turn around. So we did a special for waiting rooms, medical rooms, daycare. You see, we lost now. We can track. Now you need to go down. It's a long game. Lost here. You need to turn around that one. You win. It's finished the game. We have all option is a interactive board. We work together with the tablets. The idea is included technology education for all kids in our countries. We're from Colombia and develop the system from USA and Europe and Africa. Now, thanks for the opportunity and enjoy the fair.